Hello everyone, this video is about the modification I have to make for the calibration offsets and the soft joint setting for the Mini when I try to put a phone in front of it. So in order to use Play 700 app later in chapter 7, I know I need to mount a phone, and the first option that I chose was I'm trying to see if I can mount the phone in front of the Mini. And this is a lightest phone I can find. You can see it's very light there. You can see as you put it on, the standard calibration pose for it, it will make the bot lean forward, which is expected. So I have to go in and change the offset of the joint. For my particular bot, I have to modify 12 and 13 and 14 only. In theory, it should be 11 also, but no robot is perfect. My bot is not that symmetrical. So when I put in these offset poses, when you make it strike the calibration pose again, you see the phone in here, overall it kind of leaning backward, but the phone is so heavy, but so the CG is still within the contact of the feet area with the ground. And when you put the initial pose, remember on the initial pose of the regular robot, it will tend to lean forward a little bit. But with the weight here, we're leaning back, you see it's more centered now. So I hope that was good enough to make it work. Because when I use my application Play 700 with the phone, I need it to move around. So that's what my position was as far as joint offset goes. There's also another setting that may or may not work in the setting. By default, the joint parameter are so-called the flexibility level are all set to 4, which is kind of medium. Okay, so I'd use the default joint strength first in this video. And so I first tested that. So I put the offset in so you can see it lean backward a little bit without the phone because the phone is not there. So let's see how it works. You can see that it worked forward pretty well. Okay, let's see how it worked backward. Okay, ready to walk backward now. But because its body is only leaning backward a little bit, it couldn't maintain it. Okay, so in this one here, when you put the phone in, you see the body is more erect. So let's see if it can walk. See, so no good either. But because the joint were somewhat medium, so in the next video, I will try to stiffen the joint.